You'll see this lighting. You'll see this lighting now. Shawty went and got a ring light, so you know my videos is looking popping. So you know you can see everything real clear. You see that though. So this is going to be an eyeshadow tutorial. I'm gonna do my face, but I'm just run through that. I got some new Morphe brushes and palettes I want to try out. So you guys, let me know how you feeling this and stay tuned. And I already did my brows to cut out some time. And yeah, the palettes I'm gonna be using is this Morphe palette. Dang, I thought there was names on the back. But this one looks like this. Ignore the bottom corner. I was traveling, messed up, put it under the plane, and the black spilled everywhere. I'm gonna be using this one. Can you guys tell? Yeah. Alright, so I was just on my face, so like I think I was like rubbing around my eye a little too hard, so that one's red, but I don't have any makeup on, just my eyebrows. So I'm gonna get started. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this Morphe brush, and this one is M505, and I'm going into this Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using this color right here. I'm gonna go ahead and then just like put this in the corner, like the outer corner is my transition color. And just so y'all know, I'm gonna also be putting this in right above it, this orange, in the same spot as my transition color. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off with this round and go over it with the orange. Now I'm going to go on with this Morphe brush. This one is M321. It's a little more narrow than the other one. And I'm going into this palette and I'm using this color. This one says Artistry palette, so maybe that's the name of this one. And I'm gonna just go into my crease. I'm gonna start with my outer crease and then just bring it in. Alright, and back with that other Morphe brush, and I'm gonna just blend it out. So now I'm gonna be using my concealer, and I'm gonna go over my lid. I'm gonna be using my Tarte concealer and just a little Eco Style brush. Put some concealer on my lid. I don't know if I want to do red or pink. I'm gonna try some red, y'all. So I'm gonna go into this palette, and you see that fire hot red right there. I'm gonna put that on my lid, so let's see how that turns out. Oh no, I'm gonna need this to pop a little more. It's okay, I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put on some eyeshadow primer and put it on again and see if that helps. Alright, so I'm gonna use this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna just put it where I put that red because I really want this to show a little more. Alright, so I put that on. I'm gonna go over it again with the red, see if that helps. Yo. What? Listen. See, before you give up on the color, try some things, try and make it work, sis, because do you see the difference? It was looking all dead and lifeless now. Come to me. So I'm going with this Morphe brush and blend. And I am adding more red to the brush as I'm blending. Y'all, like, do you see this red? I'm really feeling it. So, you know, when you do too much, sometimes that's when you mess up. Sometimes you gotta learn to just stop. But I don't know how to stop, so I'm just adding something else. I'm going to try this color right here, and I'm gonna just put this like deep in the crease. And I'm using this flat Morphe brush. It's M421. I just put a little bit on the tip. And be real careful just to go in the crease. So I'm going with that smaller brush that I was using before, the, what is it, 321, and just blend out in that crease. And add my liner. And this one is by Tarte. It has like this pencil side that I can use. And I got the liquid side. I always use the liquid. So I'm gonna go ahead and give myself some wings. Okay, so now I put my lashes on, and these are some lashes from Black China. I don't have the case, so I don't remember what they're called, but I love them. They're real cute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start with my face. First, I'm gonna be priming my face with this, if I can get it. It's this e.l.f. Poreless primer. I rate my Fenty M420. And I'm gonna go ahead and contour with my Fenty. I messed up on that line, but it's fine. You're not gonna be able to tell when I'm done. Back with my Tarte. This I use just a dab for each part because it's really light. And this is my Fenty highlight. This is Hustler Baby. I don't like to put too much highlight. I like it to be like, you see a little bit, like, is it there? And on my lips, I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm gonna just put on my Fenty lip gloss, and this is Fussy. This is my favorite one so far. It got like a little tint of pink to it, and I love it. Rihanna did her thing with this. Alright y'all, so this is my final look. I hope that y'all liking it. I took my time, I tried out these brushes and I'm loving them and the palettes. So please like and subscribe. Thanks for taking your time out to watch this. And y'all will see me with some more videos coming soon. I'm gonna put everything in the corner or on the bottom. So follow me on my Instagram, Rudy Makeup. And I'll see y'all soon.